Welcome to the world of endless fun and excitement with our premium foosball table. Whether you're a seasoned player or just looking to add some excitement to your indoor space, our foosball table is the perfect choice for hours of thrilling entertainment. Crafted with the highest quality materials, our foosball table is built to withstand even the most intense matches, ensuring durability and longevity for years to come. Each component is meticulously designed to deliver smooth gameplay, from the sturdy legs providing stability to the sleek playing surface allowing for lightning-fast action. Gather your friends and family for epic tournaments or simply enjoy casual matches anytime, anywhere. With its compact design, our foosball table fits seamlessly into any room, turning any space into a lively gaming arena. Experience the rush of adrenaline as you control your players, strategize your moves, and aim for victory. Whether you're honing your skills or unleashing your competitive spirit, our foosball table offers endless opportunities for fun and excitement. Perfect for game rooms, rec rooms, offices, or any indoor environment, our foosball table is the ultimate centerpiece for social gatherings and memorable moments. So why wait? Elevate your entertainment experience with our premium foosball table today.